Welcome back to Reviews Heaven, your one-stop spot for the best kitchen gear. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best mixing bowls that'll make your meal prep smoother, cleaner, and maybe even a little fun. Whether you're tossing salads, mixing dough, or just storing leftovers like a pro, these bowls bring serious style and function to your countertop. We've handpicked the most reliable, durable, and space-saving sets out there, including ones with lids, graters, non-slip bottoms, and more. So grab your spatula and let's get mixing. And don't forget, all the product links are right below in the description box, ready for you to check out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Pyrex Glass 3-Piece Mixing Bowl Set. Tired of your mixing bowls cracking under pressure? The Pyrex Essentials 3-Piece Glass Mixing Bowls set is here to save your kitchen and your sanity. It includes 3 sizes, 1, 1.5, and 2.5 quarts. That's big enough for pancake batter or small enough for a guilt-free portion of ice cream. Keyword: portion. Made from tough tempered glass, these bowls resist stains and odors, so last week's onion dip won't sneak into today's brownie mix. And yes, that's a real risk we've all faced. They're microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, meaning they can handle heat, cold, and your lazy cleanup habits. Mix, heat, serve, and toss, just not across the room, please. Pyrex has been around longer than most grandma recipes, and there's a reason it's still a kitchen favorite. Affordable, dependable, and just plain useful. And when you're done, these bowls stack up like introverts at a party, quietly tucked away and taking up almost no space. Practical, pretty, and they don't talk back. What's not to love? Number 2. FineDine Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl Set. Let's be honest, most of us have that one wobbly plastic bowl from 2009 still hanging around. Time to upgrade. The FineDine Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls set brings 6 sizes of shiny, mighty magic to your kitchen, from a 3/4 quart snack bowl to a whopping 8-quart dough beast. You'll feel like a pro, even if you're just mixing pancake batter for one. They've got that mirror finish that makes them look way fancier than your cooking skills. We won't tell. And they won't trap smells, stains, or weird flavors, so your whipped cream won't have garlic vibes. These bowls are lightweight but built like tanks, minus the bulk. Dishwasher and freezer safe. They'll survive your clumsiest moments and laziest cleanups. No judgment. The wide-rolled rims are great for pouring without wearing your batter. And the flat bottoms? No more chasing your bowl across the counter like a cat with a laser pointer. And when you're done, they nest together like sleepy puppies. Tidy, cute, and always ready for the next food adventure. Number 3. Umite Chef Mixing Bowls Set with Airtight Lids. Say hello to your kitchen's new best friend, the Umite Chef 8-Piece Mixing Bowl Set. With sizes from 5 cutie to 1.5 cutie, these bowls are ready for everything from tossing a salad to hiding your secret snack stash. No judgment. But wait, graters included. Yes, this set comes with 3 grater attachments. Slice, shred, or grate right into the bowl. No extra cutting board, no extra mess. It's like your bowls decided to multitask for once. Bonus, the 4 cutie bowl has a mini lid inside the main lid. Now you can add ingredients or blend away without looking like you lost a fight with a blender. Tired of bowls running from you? The non-slip silicone bottoms keep these babies glued to your counter. Unless you're Hulk mixing, then we make no promises. The airtight lids lock in freshness and stack like champs in your fridge or cabinet. And yep, they're dishwasher safe. Just don't let the lids get too toasty in there. They're shiny, practical, and won't judge your cooking skills. Gift them or keep them all to yourself. We won't tell. Number 4. Priority Chef Premium Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls. The Priority Chef Premium Mixing Bowl set is like the superhero squad of your kitchen, strong, sleek, and always ready to save dinner. Made from thick stainless steel, these bowls are tough enough to last a lifetime, yet light enough that you won't accidentally work out while mixing cake batter. They come in 5 sizes, 1.5 to 5 quarts, so whether you're prepping a family feast or just whipping up midnight pancakes, you're covered. Plus, The non-slip silicone bottoms keep them from sliding around like they're late for a meeting. Inside, they've got etched measurements. That means no more guessing if you poured about a cup. It's like your bowl finally got its degree in math. The lids? Tight-fitting and BPA-free, keeping your leftovers fresher than your punchlines. Just a tip, lids prefer hand washing, because even superheroes need gentle care. They nest together like best friends on movie night and are dishwasher safe too. These bowls aren't just pretty, they're practically psychic in the kitchen. Just don't ask them to chop onions. Number 5. YIHONG 7-piece metal mixing bowls with lids. Meet the YIHONG 7-piece mixing bowl set, the kitchen crew that never calls in sick. With sizes from 0.7 to 4.5 quarts, these bowls are ready for anything. A quick salad, cookie dough magic, or that one dinner recipe you totally wing. Each bowl comes with a lid. That's right, no more cling wrap gymnastics or upside-down plates on top of bowls. These guys are built for food prep, serving, or sneaking leftovers without getting caught. Tired of a cabinet avalanche every time you grab a bowl? Not today. These nest like champions, saving space and your sanity. Stack M, store M, and feel like an organized adult, finally. Made of stainless steel, they're tougher than your burnt toast. Rust-proof, dishwasher-safe, and easy to clean, even after spaghetti night. Just a heads up, give those lids a gentle hand wash, unless you like playing guess the shape. Durable, stackable, and surprisingly charming. These bowls won't just sit pretty, they'll work hard too. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best mixing bowls. Whether you're baking, prepping, or just storing leftovers, there's a perfect bowl set waiting for you. Check out all the product links in the description box below. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven.